Good morning, this is a new video. We are in couchsurfing house and now we are going to do farming. So, welcome to another vlog.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved.
Bye. We are going to the farm.
If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call.
This is Kabil Bastu Agriculture Farm. Kab.
Just make the call, and I'll be yours.
Kabil Bastu Agriculture Farm. Ma. Haruko Swagacha.
Yes.
Welcome to the farming. You first. Good. The name of the farm is Kabil Bastur Agriculture Farm. This is the goat farm. Wow, Rambro farm. 72 goats in the farm.
Yeah.
This is all pregnant, right?
Yeah. These all goats are pregnant.
And because now this farm is just starting.
Just starting.
1 year ago
We
you
have started
just
construction.
The construction. So at first, how many you had?
At first we brought 25.
25. And now born and you bought more.
Yeah, we bought more, and now it's become 72 goats.
So because it's their first time, you tell me they are going to birth born only one baby. Good.
I'll be yours.
So I was talking to the camera and I didn't press record, so again. So Mbize here, thank you for the tea. He is explaining me everything about the goat farming.
Yeah.
So he is explaining me how much they cost, how they make money, what are the margins, about the quality of the goats. And it's really interesting. I'm going to explain you everything, how they make money in this video. Good.
Yeah.
Thank you for explaining me. We are going to share with my audience your business model.
Thank you, sir.
They spent 250,000 buy the land for the farm, build the farm, and have fields as well to grow plants there for the goats. And their monthly expenses are 4 workers that they pay them €100 per month each one, electricity €10 per month, food animal for the all animal is €20 per month. So you think that is few? Nepal is very, 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 very poor. So that's why if you compare it to European countries, this money is very few. So the question is how they make money. Every goat depends on his quality, worth €8 per kilo. So they grow babies, they feed them, and they sell them when they are 20, 30, 40, 50 kilos for meat or to other farms. There are 2 jackpots for this business. The first is they have 0 risk because it's risk if the goat get ill and all the goats get ill, they die, they are going to waste all their money and all their work that they put into. So that's why government have insurance on them. So if all the goats die, they are going to give them 100% back their money of the whole worth of the goat. So this is very, very important for a business to reduce this risk, and the government is doing it because now they are importing a lot of meat from India, so they want to stop importing and have local business do for them, so the money come back to the country. So that's why the country is giving that benefit. And the second jackpot is that they buy cheap quality goats. Before I mentioned quality, so the goats are 50% good, let's say. So they put them with one man, 100% good quality, and they have babies 75% good quality. It worth 3 times as that, 20-25 euros per kilo. So they make money through the quality that they produce along the years, better quality. So this one now, the doctor is here. This one, and he is going to
Castration for castration.
yes. From now on, the girl can't do any babies.
परफेक्ट तरीके से करिए. उधर रहा लोगों ने, उधर रहा मैं आऊँ. यो फेरि पनि लाउन पर्छ कि एकचोटि मात्रै हो?
यो फेरि पनि लाउन पर्छ.
कति दिनमा?
दिनमा 2 पटक.
दिनमा 2 पटक
लगाइछन् राम्रो.
यसले
यो चाहिँ मेलोक्सिकम प्लस पारासिटामोल, दुखाइ कम गर्ने
पेन किलर.
खडा गर्नुस्.
So now they explain me this is a man, and because it's not the same, they don't want to produce them babies. They don't want it to produce babies because they want to produce different babies. They want to produce babies from him, so that's why they cut his balls so he can't mate. It was painful, but it's good for their farm, and they bring a doctor to do it. It's good, and it was painful to watch, but it's good. So this is few thoughts of me for their business. I don't know how much you care about my opinion, but I'm going to give it to you. So as I understand, they are both engineers, two brothers, and they was working in India, in New Delhi. They had good jobs and they quit their jobs to pursue this. They are too committed of making this a successful business. Also, they have a reason behind doing that because they really want to help Nepal. They love their place and they want to stop importing from Indians and start producing in Nepal, and this is going to help Nepal economy. Commitment, why they are doing it, and passion is going to determine their success. It's not 100% that they are going to succeed, but they have a lot of possibilities because they have a good business model. They don't lose money, or it's not that risk oriented, their business model. So this is my take on their business. If you really, I want you, if you are seeing this, I want you to go on the comments and write me if you like this type of video of this. Not sure, like the video, subscribe. Bye.
Bye, have a great time.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。